Krita is a powerful and free digital art application that can be used to create stunning paintings, drawings, and even animations. But learning Krita can be challenging, especially if you're new to digital art or you don't have a lot of time to practice. That's why I created this course, to teach you the essentials of working with Krita in a fun and easy way. In this course, you'll learn how to use Krita from scratch, including the basics of Krita's user interface, how to create and use brushes, how to select and mix colors, how to work with layers and masks, how to add effects and textures, how to export your work to a variety of formats, how to record time lapses of your process, and much more. See the course syllabus for everything I cover. By the end of this course, you'll have an excellent foundation in Krita that you can use to bring your imagination to life. This course is suitable for artists of all skill levels, and it's designed to be interactive and engaging. You'll get access to 3 hours of video lessons, custom brushes and content for Krita, and template files you can use to follow along with me. Though it was a lot of work, I've chosen to make this course very affordable to give artists who are on a budget an opportunity to learn digital art. There is a minimum price, but you can choose to pay what you want. I encourage you to support the content I create if you're able to. If you want to learn Krita, this is one of the best places to start. Check out the link in the description of this video or go to aaronrutten.com and start learning Krita today. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to what you'll create with Krita.